You can also press Alt and right click and drag. So by doing that, by pressing Alt, right clicking and dragging, you will be able to change the size to that tool. So the size will be very important. For example, if it's this big, you won't be able to select these small parts of your bag, you know. You will need to press Alt, right click and make it smaller, drag to make it smaller, and then you will be able to make your selections way smarter, you know. So I press Ctrl D. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.